Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. I have glitter and neon. I also have some clear pony beads. You're going to need some elastic string, scissors, and I have a needle. That's optional. And to start, you're going to cut off about 3 feet of string. And this will be our pattern. So if you want to stop the video and get all your beads on, it's 4 sets of rainbow with clear in between. Okay, once you have all your beads on, go ahead and tie the string. You can cut that off. And we're going to pull the string down so the knot goes behind that clear bead. And we're going to put our needle on. We're going to start with the neon. This is going to be our pattern all the way around. Pink, orange, yellow, clear, green, blue, purple. And we're going to go through this clear bead. We're going to repeat that. And we're going to go through the clear. Okay, we're going to keep doing this pattern all the way around. And then every time you're going to go through a clear. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these sets off camera, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it should look like after you have all your sets on. And to start the next row, we need to go through this clear. The pink, orange, yellow, and clear. Okay, we went through all of these beads here. Now we're going to go back to the glitter beads. Pink, orange, yellow. And for this row, we're always going to be going through the middle clear. Green, blue, purple. We're going to go through this clear. Okay, so we're just doing the rainbow all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of mine off camera, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I'm at the end here. I have my last set of beads. We're going to go through 3 beads, this clear, pink, and orange. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're going to add 3 pink, clear, 3 pink, and for this row we're always going to be going through, if you see this is a triangle right here, we're always going to go through the middle. So we're going to be going through this blue, and then see, here's a triangle, that's the middle bead. Next color is orange. We're going to go through this middle bead. Next color is yellow. Going through the middle bead. Okay, this time we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to go back to that rainbow pattern. Okay, now we're going to go to green. Go through the middle bead. We're adding blue. Going through that middle bead. We're adding purple. Going through the middle bead. And now we're going to go back to that rainbow pattern. Now we're at the end of this row. So we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go through the orange, 3 pink, and the clear. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're going to add 3 pink, 1 clear, and 3 orange. We're going to go through this clear. Three orange, a clear, and 3 yellow. We'll go through the clear. We're going to add 3 yellow, a clear, and the rainbow pattern. And we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add the rest of that rainbow, a clear and 3 green. And we'll go through the clear. We're going to add 3 green, a clear, and 3 blue, and we'll go through the clear. We're going to add 3 blue, a clear, and 3 purple. Okay, we're back to that rainbow. So we added the purple, clear, and part of the rainbow. Now we need to go through all of these beads to get to this clear. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, we're going to go back to the rainbow pattern. And I'm going to start with the green, blue, and purple. And we're going to go through the middle clear. Pink, orange, yellow. Go through the clear. Oh, and if you run out of string like I did, you can tie some more on. Okay, this is going to be the last set on this side. And we're going to go through this clear, the green, and blue. And this is what it looks like so far. Now, if you want to, I'm going to tie this so the string will stay kind of put while we're working. And for this row, every time we add a set, we're going to be going through the middle bead. So here's our triangle. That's our middle bead. Here's another triangle. That's our middle bead. And we're going to go, right now we're going to go back to the neon colors. Okay, we're going to find that middle bead. So for this triangle, it's orange. Okay, for this triangle, the middle bead is blue. I'm going to do one more on camera. See our triangle here? The middle is orange. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of mine off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, I'm at the end here. I have my last set on, and we need to get to this bead here. So we're going to go through the blue, pink, orange, yellow, and clear. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, for this last row, we're going to go back to the glitter, and I'm going to start with the rainbow, but with the green, blue, and purple. And we're always going to go through these clear beads. Pink, orange, yellow, and we're going to go through that clear. Okay, we're at the end here, and we're going to go through the clear and this green. And you can tie this. And this is what it looks like. Now, I don't have a proper name for this cuff, so if you guys have any ideas on what we should name this, let me know. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.